What's up guys, it's your boy Mark. In this video I will be going over how to set up your automatic system with $25.1up. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make some daily cash. Alright guys, so here in my back office, $25.1up. This is what you would see guys once you create your account. There will be a link below to go ahead and create your account guys. If you like what you see in this video, go ahead and get started and get the necessary tools and trainings to start earning money today. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do guys is pay this one-time hosting fee, which is to have access to this system, to dump for you websites, the training, everything that comes inside the system. You just have to pay that one-time $10 hosting fee to have access to those done for you websites and those resources that is going to help you make money with the system. Now the next thing that you have to do is decide which level you want to come in at guys, which we have multiple levels. As you can see, we have the gold level, the platinum level, the diamond level, the enterprise level, and the elite level. Now, if you want to come in and start making full-time income, I highly recommend these two products here, the gold and the platinum, which is roughly $135 to get started. The hosting fee, the $10 hosting fee, and $25 one time, $25 to join the gold, and one time $100 to join the platinum, which equals to $135, and you're eligible to earn $100 commissions and $25 commissions. Now, why I say that you should go ahead and get both, because the training that comes with each level goes together. The platinum level comes with the Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook training, and the gold level comes with the pre-read ads and everything, the mindset training, the cheat sheet for affiliate marketing. Both will help you make money, and both, come with some really good resources and some really good tools. But if you want to start making some great income, you have to have at least the platinum level where you could start earning big commission products. Now, my favorite level that I recommend that everybody should just go ahead and just come in at is the diamond level, which is one time $250 plus a $25 software fee. You get the platinum and the gold for free, and you're eligible to earn $250, $100, and $25 commissions. So diamond level, you're setting yourself up for success. It's a solid level to come in at guys. 2 sales a day is $500. That's a full week worth of income, and you could earn that in a day. So the diamond level is $250 to get started plus $25 software fee. The enterprise is a one-time $500 plus a 50 one-time software fee, and you get the diamond level, platinum, gold for free, and you have the ability to earn $500, $250, $100, and $25 commissions, and you just get more resources, more tools, more training, and bigger commissions. And of course, at the elite level, which is the highest level, you get all of the other levels for free. From enterprise, diamond, platinum, and gold, you're eligible to earn $1,000 commissions, $500, $250, $100, and $25 commissions. The elite level is a one-time $1,000 fee to get started plus a one-time $100 software fee. You are maximizing your earnings, and you have the ability to earn up to $1,000 per referral. So once you go ahead and decide which level you want to come in at, what you want to do is come all the way down guys to set up profile, which is step 7. All right, so you just go down to edit. So what you want to do is make sure that you have every way that you want to get paid inside your details. If you're getting paid through PayPal, put your PayPal email here, okay? Put your Stripe secret key here. Put your public key here. You can put your Cash App name here. You can also get paid through Cash App. Put your Zelle email, your Coinbase, if you have, a Bitcoin wallet, any processor that you want to use. Make sure that you go ahead and set this up. This is very important. Before you get to promoting, before you even get into the training, it's easily forgotten. So you need to go ahead and do it while it's fresh, Soon as you create your account, this is the next step you want to take. Make sure your payment information is inside of here. Now let's say you want to use something else other than everything that's provided here in these boxes. All you have to do is put inside your payment details instructions on how you want to get paid. Okay, so if you want to get paid through Chime, put your Chime information here and tell them exactly what to do. Whatever processor you want to get paid through, if you don't see it, make sure you add your information here so you can get that payment. All right, so once you do that, the next thing you want to do, guys, is just go through the back office. All right, just make sure you just go through the back office, see what is what. All right, see what is what, and whatever level you come in at, you would see the products here on the side. So if you come in at the gold level, you would see all of your pre-written ads. Okay, you will see all of your pre-written ads, your Facebook group cheat sheets, your 50 ways to promote any business, motivation mindset, and you have all of these ads that you could post on your social media that can help you get leverage. If you came in at the platinum level, you will get more training. You'll get more training. You get the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram training that comes with the platinum products. Okay, so whatever level you come in at, your products will be over here congruent to the level that you come in at. So that's important as well to know what are your products, what tools do you have, what resources is going to make you money. Go over all the training, go over all of the resources, and just use it and implement it to your system, and you will start seeing, results. So what I'm gonna do is come over here to my business and show you some commissions. And as you can see, guys, here I made $125 today, $150 yesterday, and I just hit the 3K club, guys. $3,025 made. I had to zoom in, guys, for privacy reasons of the customers, but this was today, guys. $125. Platinum level membership was paid directly to me, and a gold level membership was paid directly to me, directly through my Cash App. So this allows you to get paid instantly. You don't have to wait for your funds. You don't have to wait to get paid like most, work from home businesses only pay out once a month or every Friday. This allows you to get paid instantly, however you want to get paid. So this is one of the reasons why I really love this business, because when I made this commission, guys, I was on Netflix. I was watching Ozark, to be exact, and the commission came through. And yesterday I was playing my Xbox and the commission came through. So what this system really does is the selling and the telling for you. What we focus on is marketing the system, sharing this system with multiple people. Another thing, guys, is what we do is share other people's success, which is also leverage. So one of the things that people always look for is testimonials. Here is a done for you website that you will have access to. If you come in at the lowest level, you get access to this sales funnel. Now this sales funnel is converting. This is the easiest way to start earning daily payments of 25, 100, 250, 500, and even 1,000. Remember, guys, those are the levels that I just introduced to you and told you about, that you could start earning 100% instant commissions without those nagging monthly fees. So this system is a one-time fee, no monthly fees. So this here gives a bright message to the person that asks for more info, and what they get here before they even enter their information for more info on the system, they get all of these testimonials. Look, it's 14 minutes long, and by the time this video is over, they're gonna be like, okay, yeah, I want to get started, and they're gonna put their information in, because it's very exciting seeing a lot of people making money with this one system. So it has built-in leverage that you could use to make money. Okay, you have multiple done for you websites. If you're someone who worries about not knowing how to build a website, we have multiple sales funnels inside the system that you could use to help you make money. You don't have to worry about making a website. You also don't have to worry about an email list builder, okay, because it has an autoresponder built inside the system that holds unlimited leads. If you know any other email marketing systems like GetResponse, Aweber, there are a certain number of leads that that system could hold for an account. But $25 1UP is unlimited, so you can have these leads for a lifetime. And I think this is pretty unique, guys. So you can set up messages and send them out on autopilot. So everything is all in one when it comes to $25 1UP. You don't have to worry about anything but marketing, which the system comes with marketing tools, marketing training, marketing resources, everything. You also get additional bonuses from me. So if you like what you see, guys, if you like this content, if you want more info, check out the link below. Also click that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.